Hi everyone, welcome to IWM Buzz. We are here at India's biggest OTT and web entertainment conclave, India Web Fest Season 6. And I have with me Swati Patnaik from Applause Entertainment. Thank you for being here, ma'am.
Thank you for having me here.
Super, fantastic. Firstly, I have to ask you right away, the topic you're going to be a part of is, storytellers, weaving magic on OTT. So what do you hope would be the outcome of this discussion?
I think, first of all, thank you for putting me on a panel with some really esteemed people from the industry. I'm really looking forward to this conversation because, all of us have worked in various capacities in various content spaces, and I feel that stories are here to remain.
Yeah.
Whatever the form may be, whether it is a binge watch or a scheduled watch or movies, but stories are never going out of the window, and that's entertainment. So I'm hoping that what we come out today after our discussion is there a way that we can tell these stories differently, or is there a formula? There is no answer to that, but we'll see how the panel shapes up on that.
True, absolutely. And the current state of OTT is absolute peak, right? It's just booming and booming. That's why we're here. So, what do you feel is the current state of Indian content on OTT right now?
I think we are at a very interesting time. There's a lot of freedom in content at the moment, right? I actually come from television where you had to set by a few rules, but this has allowed a lot of democracy of content. And like you said, right, the peak defines where that story is going to be.
Correct.
And more importantly, there is not a single type of content which is peaking, and that tells you, right,
Yeah.
that the freedom of content and that you have all kinds of viewers. There are tastemakers that you are going to cater to.
Yeah.
Everything is not for everybody. Some things can be for everybody, right? And that is the difference. That when you're making stories, you keep thinking, right? Who am I making this for? So that's a very poignant question that keeps coming up every time you create a piece of content.
Right.
So coming back to the point, I think the freedom of content is OTT's biggest win more than anything else.
Super, fantastic. And finally, to round it up, one message for all the IWM viewers out there and in general, everyone.
um, Keep watching content in any piece of content. That's how our lives carry on, and we thrive when people watch and binge watch and just enjoy entertainment, and please watch it with that lens.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hope you have a good one.